Good morning, guys. It is really bright outside, and that means this flip-flop is finna be crazy. The car is ready to pull out of the garage. I still gotta wrap its steering wheel, but yeah, that'll come after the car's out of the garage, and I clean it up a little bit. Yeah, look at my baby. Cue the intro. What's up, everybody? It's the last day of this car. We're getting down to the nitty gritty. It seems like there's a pattern. I'm getting all these cars where things just can't come off for whatever reason. But yeah, the mirror can't come off because the window can't come down. It's old. I'm not explaining all that. Door handle can't come off. So we got to do it a certain way. It's just not. It's not ideal, but it is in the ideal auto factory, which means we're gonna make it right. So you got clearance everywhere. Pass that little ball or whatever. Grip right at that spot we at. You have to pull one and then focus on the other. There we go. Put it where it's supposed to go.
To put it like.
Put it exactly where it's supposed to go. Too tight. Remember before the paper was on it? You could pull it all the way down.
So.
Yeah, that'll work. Just like that. So now you tack it down somewhere. Make sure it don't move. Yeah, leave it right there. Leave it right there. Just work with that. Alright?
And take it.
Yeah, go ahead, take it. Now I'm trying to focus on the stop there. Top, below that line. So right there. Alright, we're well on our way. Gotta finish doing some stuff here. Gotta cut that. There's a whole rocker panel that goes down here. So there's no need to wrap that. Yeah. Finishing up the door now. All right, we got a few more pieces to go. Yeah, did some post heating. We got the grill back on, and as you can see, we got black on these bumper gaps now. That piece right there. We got black there now. That is not wrapped. That is plastic. Look, certain stuff does not get wrapped. Okay, we talking about quality over just hype and I don't even know clout. I don't know what to say. Certain stuff just don't get wrapped. It's just not meant for rap. We gotta do just the inside of the door and then the steering wheel. So I'm gonna wrap this in the color of the car. You can already see the gold, matching the gold wheels. It's gonna go in there. He's got his quick release and everything, so he'll put that on and whatnot. Still gotta put some trim pieces back on. And yeah, we'll clean it up, make it look nice in here. So what happened in that snippet of me wrapping the steering wheel? I wrapped it, and then when I got, so it's a two-piece. And when I went to do the overlay piece, it stuck really well to the inlet. Reason being is because they're both glossy, high energy surfaces. So when I made my cut and I pulled, it pulled up the inlet. Long story short, I'll wrap it tomorrow. And for the most part, we are finished. Yeah, old school car is pretty much done. I'm gonna give the customer the option of putting his badges back on or not. He's got a Centurion badge that you all may have seen. It goes on the fender, and he has a Buick badge that goes on the back. But other than that, the car is complete. Post heated. Done. Clearly this thing is not built for snow. Yeah, it's sliding all over the place, but yeah, we're gonna get some pictures soon. It looks so good, y'all. Like, it looks so good. Now that the car is out of the garage, I'm going to clean the garage because it's just part of how I function. So a couple things happened since you last saw me. Camera battery died. Only got like 3 pictures in. My camera was in my car, so the battery was really cold, so I think it just depleted the life a lot faster. I also realized that these tires, like my car, I can make it up my driveway fine. I haven't shoveled my driveway, but this thing, yeah, it's not making it up the driveway at all. So I'm going to have to shovel my driveway. I don't have a shovel. They're all sold out. So I'm about to go ask my neighbor if I can borrow a shovel and then start shoveling the driveway. It's no more snow. It's ice mostly. And yeah, I'm gonna need to make this work. I'm gonna need to do this because, yeah. Got other people that's coming to get their car worked on. So here it is. I got to make it happen. I got it. I got a little ice rake thingy. Edger. It's called an edger. And the shovel from the neighbors. Thank you, neighbors. Yeah. We made it, y'all. We made it. Yeah. Gotta clear out the rest of that because there's gonna be a low car that's coming in. I'm gonna have them come in from there and then bring it in. But yeah, it's in here. Woo! Driveway's clear. Thank you again to my neighbors for allowing me to use the shovel and like a snowplow shovel too. Not just this thing to break up the ice. Whew. That thing did some work. All right. Next, I'm gonna finally be able to take some pictures because my battery is now charged. And yeah, then we can call this one a wrap. Oh, and the steering wheel. Gotta do the steering wheel. Forgot about that.